Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Blink cameras are recording motion but clips are not saving to the local storage, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the fixes that you can try in order to basically fix this particular problem. So first of all, you just have to unplug the flash drive from the Blink sync module and then you need to plug it again securely. If the drive is loose or not detected correctly, the sync module won't save the clips locally. Blink systems also work best with properly formatted USB drives that meet the recommended storage requirements. After reconnecting the drive, you just have to open the Blink application and check whether the local storage is detected. Now, if the issue still persists in your case, the second thing that you can do is you can simply verify the local storage, whether it is enabled or not. So in order to do that, you just have to simply open your Blink Home application on your phone. Then you just have to simply tap on the option of sync module. Afterwards, you just have to go to the local storage settings, and over here inside local storage, make sure that the local storage option is turned on. Sometimes cloud settings or the account changes can disable the local clips saving automatically. Also, you need to confirm that the sync module is online and it is connected to the internet properly before testing the recordings again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.